Good morning, Singapore, and I'm here at Universal Studios. Just kidding, I'm just here at Cebu City, Philippines, and I collaborated with one of my friends in Singapore, and CJ asks what it's like to be a Pinoy in Singapore. For that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and share peace and love. First question, how is Singapore for you and how long have you been in Singapore?
Singapore has helped me a lot when it comes to financial education and lifestyle. Every 2 months I travel back to Cebu to spend time with my family.
Second question, what's the first struggle when you just came in Singapore?
The struggle that I have here when I first got here in Singapore was understanding how they speak and also budget conversion from peso to Sing dollar.
Number 3, what do you like best and what do you like least in Singapore?
What I like best here in Singapore is the means of transportation, and the least thing that I like here in Singapore is the food. Okay?
Number 4, is it hard to find and satisfy your Filipino cravings?
It is not a struggle when you are craving for Filipino foods here in Singapore. All you have to do is to go to Lucky Plaza, and there are a lot of Filipino food choices you can find there. Okay? It's somewhere in Orchard.
Number 5, what's your weirdest experience in Singapore?
The weirdest experience that I have here in Singapore is trying to follow their Singlish accent.
Okay la. Number 6, what do you think Singaporeans think about Filipinos?
I think they see Filipinos as hardworking and determined to do whatever it takes to become a good provider to their families.
Number 7, is it fun and safe to travel in Singapore, especially for Pinoys?
Yes, it's fun to travel here in Singapore. You can find a lot of things here.
Number 8, what's the best tourist spot you would like to recommend for fellow Filipinos?
For me, the best part here in Singapore is going to the topmost of Marina Bay Sands. There you can see the whole land of Singapore.
Number 9, is it cheap or expensive to travel in Singapore for Filipinos?
Well, we talk about the price in Singapore. It's a little bit expensive for an average person. But if you're working on a higher position, like if you're in the top executives, then I think you will find it affordable when it comes to ratio your salary.
Last but not least, what is your message to our fellow Filipinos who plan to travel in Singapore?
To those of you who are planning to travel here in Singapore, all you have to do is to allocate a separate budget just for travel alone. So that by the time you get here in Singapore, all you have to do is to have fun and enjoy your travel, not thinking about other budgets.
Okay, that's pretty much of the CJ Asks episode. Thank you very much, Sir Blaire Bustillo, for answering 10 of my questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have plans to travel and live in Singapore, go check out Sir Blaire's channel. It's linked in the description below, and you'll find awesome content related to Singapore. If you want to travel in the Philippines, just check out my channel, and you will find awesome travel videos and food spots in my channel. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Share peace and love.